Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Today we are going to talk about patio gardening. And just what do we mean by patio gardening? Well, it basically means growing things in containers that will do well on your patio, porch, or balcony. But it can also mean for your front entry, courtyard, or small space gardens. Just about anything can be planted in a container with the right growing conditions, whether you live in a house, a mobile home, an apartment, or a condominium. Patio gardening can consist of growing many types of different plants, depending on what your likes or interests are. It may be seasonal color items that brighten up your outdoor living area, or it might be ornamental shrubs or topiaries that add a formal elegance to your entryway. Many people would like to grow vegetables or herbs, but don't have the space for a large garden. It's easy to grow your favorite herbs in pots, like these chives, peppermint, spearmint, and parsley. Most of these plants grow great in containers on your patio or balcony. Varieties of cactus and succulents make great container items. Then there are the many varieties of roses, perennials, and other flowering shrubs and vines. Even dwarf fruit trees make a wonderful patio container plant. So here's some things you need to think about before you start. What time of day will the hot sun affect your patio garden area? What changes occur throughout the year? Will it freeze in the winter, or does the wind blow strongly into the area at any time? All of these things will affect your plant selection. The next thing you need to think about is what kind of containers you want. There's Mexican clay, Italian clay, plastic, ceramic, concrete, resin, and wood. Whatever containers you choose, make sure they have good drainage holes in them. Once you've selected your containers, you'll want to make sure you have enough good quality potting soil like Dr. Q's Filthy Rich Gold. This newest addition to our Dr. Q's line is our High Quality Potting Soil Plus, to which we've added our Gold Dust Starter Fertilizer to nourish your plants for up to 6 months. Now you are ready to select your plants. Do some research on the types of plants you want by asking our plant specialists at any of our stores, or visit our website at starnursery.com. Check out our large selection of pots and containers for all of your patio gardening needs. Your irrigation system is the most important gardening tool you have for the summer in the desert. Star Nursery is your headquarters for the largest selection of irrigation and sprinkler supplies. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.